this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect TradingView to interactive brokers. The first thing that you have to do is sign into your TradingView account, and then you will hover over products and go into super charts. From within the super charts section, you want to click on trading panel here. If you are on the Pine editor, you will click on trading panel, and this is going to load up a list of all of the available brokers. Here, you will use the search bar to search for interactive brokers. It is going to appear, and you just want to click on it. This is going to load up this page, interactive brokers, and it is going to give you the option to connect. Once you click on connect, it's going to take you to the interactive brokers website, where it's going to ask you to sign into your account. Once you sign into your interactive brokers account, then that is going to initiate the connection process, and you will be able to use interactive brokers on TradingView. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.